is theorem 2. The second theorem is angle in the same segment are equal. Angle what? Same segment are equal. Guys, this is simple, but it's very easy. It's very, very easy, straightforward. We are not going to prove anything. We are going straight to the point. When we get back to school, we are going to start all those. So how are we going to recognize that? It's something like this. And look at this. Now, if you look at this one will look like what I did the other time when I was talking about angle at the center. Only that one did not touch the circumference. See, this one is angle at the center. If here is 50, here is what? 100. Don't confuse it. But if it will be angle in a segment, this thing will touch here. It will what? It will touch here. It will touch here like this. Therefore, the law states that for something to be in the same segment, let me name it angle AOBCD. Therefore, the angle here will be equal to what? Angle here. So if here is x, here is x. If here is y, here is what? Y. Now, how will you write it in y terminology? What is angle x? I can say OAD. Say OAD is equals to angle here. I say this is here CBO or OBC. Angle OBC. Why? Angle in the same segment. Angle in what? Angle in the same segment. Angle y is equal to what? Angle y. Now what is angle y? This angle here. I say ADO. What do I say? ADO. So angle y, ADO is equal to this angle. I say BCO, BCO, or OCB, anyone. BCO. Y, angle in the same segment. Are we there? So guys, I want you to take your time, pause the video, and we'll continue the section. And guys, this is another one. Now look at this. Let me say angle CDEFG. Now guys, this is these three angles, are all in the same what segment. Are what? They are all in the same segment. Therefore, if here is 10 degrees, here will be 10, here will be 10. Why? Angle in the same segment. Now guys, there's something I want you to observe here. This is where the law is. This angle is equal to which angle? Is it here or here? It can be here. It will be what? Here. Here equals to here. Therefore, here equals to what? Here. Do you see? So if here is 20, here is 20. It doesn't change. You cannot say if here is 20, here is 20. No. If here is 20, here is what? 20. If here is 40, here is what? 40. You see it? Those are what? Angle in the same segment. Are we there? So now, after this section, we begin to take what? Examples. So I'll see you in the next section. Thank you. Now guys, example 1. Look at this. We want to look for angle x and also look for angle y. Now let's go. This is angle ABC. Let me put here D. How do we get angle x? It is quite easy. Angle at the center is twice. That means if here is 200, here is what? 100. So I will say that angle BOC, composer, is equals to twice angle BAC. Therefore, what is my angle BOC? 200 degrees. Twice, what is BAC? X. So x is equal to what? 200 over 2, 100 degrees. Now guys, there is one important law that I did not tell you. Now this is it. You see, any angle here and here facing themselves, shortcut. Any angle here, shortcut. X plus y is equals to what? 180. Is equals to what? 180. Why? Sum of opposite angle in equilateral. So that's the shortcut. So if here is 100, what will be here? But x plus y is equal to what? 180. What is my x? 100 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to what? 180 minus 100. Y is what? 80 degrees. Are we there? So guys, you copy this in your note now and we continue. Hey guys, example 2. Yeah, we are back again. We have this question says you find x and y. X and y. Now look at this thing well. I have 220 at the outer part. At the what? At the outer part. And here I have 2x. The easiest angle for me to get is here. Y. Sum of angle at the what? At the point. Y. Sum of angle at the point. So I'll say 220 plus 2x is equal to what? 360. Y. Sum of angles at a point. At what? At a point. So I have, from here, 20 comes here. I have 2x is equal to 360 minus 220. 2x is equal to, what is 360 minus 220? 140 divided by 7 by 2. X is equal to what? 70 degrees. Now, if x is equal to 70 degrees, that means that all the angle here is what? 2 times 70. And that's what? 140. Yeah. Oh, well, look. Now, if here is 140, then what is this case? Twice angle at the center. Therefore, if here is 140, here is what? 140 over 2, that's what? 70. Therefore, y is equal to what? 140 over 2, that's what? 70 degrees. Are we there? Pause the video and let's continue. Hey boys, example 3. We are looking for x. Remember that I said that twice angle at the center can be drawn like this. And what? I'm doing like this. So now let me do something for you now. This is the angle at the center, and go at what? The second one. I'll say angle DBC is equal to twice angle what? DAC. So once we know this relationship, then we are good to go. What is my DBC? 4x. So what's my DAC? 80. Therefore, I say 4x is equal to 2 times 80 is what? 160 divided by 4. X is equal to what? 40. Are we there? For the video, and we continue. Hey guys, example 4. Look at this question. Haha. Now we have started. Now see, in some questions you can apply like 3 theorems just to solve one question. Now, look at this. This question is a combination of angle at the center and angle the same what segment. So we are looking for z and y. Hey, this is serious. That means that if I can get only y, I will get my z. Simple. Are we there? So angle DOC equals to what? 120. And from the theorem, we have known that angle DOC is twice of what? Angle DAC. What is my DOC? 120. What is my DAC? Z, Abby. So Z is equal to what? 120 over 2. That's 60. Guys, if Z is 120, if Z is 60, that means Y2 is what? 60. Z is equal to Y. Angle in the same segment. Angle what? In the same segment. And that's that. So Z is equal to 60. y is equal to what? 60. Now guys, let me quickly show you this. If I want to extend this question to make it more confusing, and I add this to it, and I say what is here? If here is W, don't forget that I told you that the angle here and this angle here is what? 180. So I say Z plus W is equal to what? 180. What is my Z? 60. So W is equal to 180 minus 60. W is equal to what? 120. So guys, what you're going to see next now is your classwork and assignment. So I will see you in the next lecture. So today's class we have discussed only 2 theorems. In the next class we are going to discuss 2 more theorems, and that should be all for circle geometry 1. You can see it's that cheap and easy. But don't forget, when we get to school, we are going to do some proving, some proving. In your YF, you are going to be tested on 2 claims. One, your knowledge about proofs. They can show that the angle at the center is twice the angle at any point on the wall circumference. They can show that angle in the same segment are equal, and that's how it goes. But for now, we are straight to the point. This is objective type. Do you get it? So guys, in the next class, we are going to see the next 2 theorems. See ya.